Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to turn on iCloud photo backup on your iPhone running iOS 14. With iCloud photo backup, your photos are automatically backed up on the cloud, so if you lose your phone, all your memories are safe on the cloud. So first, let's go into settings, then scroll down and find the photo app. Tap on it, find iCloud photo and toggle the switch to the on position. This will enable iCloud photo backup. You have two options for iCloud photo backup. One is to keep optimized ones on your phone to save memory while the full resolution photos are on the iCloud. The second option is to keep full resolution photos on the cloud and on your phone. And there you go guys, that is how to switch on iCloud photo backup on your iPhone running iOS 14. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.